If you use Personal Vault in OneDrive, changing the auto-lock time is a simple way to control how long your files stay unlocked before they secure themselves again. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the Personal Vault auto-lock time step by step, so you can make it fit the way you work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is the little cloud that lets you open OneDrive settings quickly without digging through menus. Click the OneDrive cloud icon to bring up the OneDrive panel. Once it opens, look for the gear icon, which is usually in the top right area of the panel. Click that gear icon to open the settings options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main OneDrive settings window, where you can control account options, sync settings, and Personal Vault behavior. Once the settings window opens, go to the Account tab. The Account tab is where Microsoft keeps the storage and security-related features for your OneDrive account, including Personal Vault. Now scroll or look through the Account section until you find Personal Vault. Under that area, you should see a setting labeled Lock Personal Vault After. This is the option that controls how long Personal Vault stays unlocked before it automatically locks itself again. If you want a more secure setup, choose a shorter lock time. If you prefer a little more convenience while you're working with your files, choose a longer duration that still feels comfortable for you. Click the current timeout value and select your preferred auto-lock duration from the available options. After choosing the new setting, click OK or Apply to save the change. That's an important step, because if you don't confirm it, the new timeout may not actually take effect. Once it's saved, your Personal Vault will now use the new auto-lock time you selected. And that's it. You've now changed the Personal Vault auto-lock time in OneDrive. This is a quick but useful security adjustment, especially if you use Personal Vault often and want to balance convenience with protection. Remember, shorter lock times offer more security, while longer lock times can make repeated access easier during your workflow. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.